course of the past day then we've been grinding, cutting, drilling, tacking, welding, and this is what we've come up with. The clutch spring compressor to overcome, to be honest, what I call this nightmare of a job, and any Cezet Jawa owner will confirm it. So with this 3-spring clutch Jawa Cezet, I've had many problems in the past before, loads, with getting them out, getting them back in, and they're absolute nightmares, to be honest. So I had to develop this tool, and what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to demonstrate it. So I'll just bolt it on there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the washer there over the dowel, and we're going to offer the something like that. Start off, wind the top one in slightly first, so that I can put the washers behind on the other two. It. Just get the washer on the bottom one. Alright, so all we're going to do then, we're going to wind these bolts up now, just to bolt this jig to the casing. Here we have it. And to be honest, this is probably the longest part of the job, just bolting it up, which, that's it.
It gets it firmly in place though, doesn't it?
Yeah, get it firm. So there we have it then, we've bolted the tool on. So what we're going to do now is make sure that this clutch spring there is in line with the tool. So what we can do now, you've got the slotted part of the tool there, just make sure it locates on that pin there, and just apply the pressure, and there you have it, one pin out. Take the spring out, take the cup out, then we can turn the clutch. Again, line the tool up, slotted part over the pin, apply the pressure, pin out, take the pressure off, spring, take the cup out, turn the clutch. Again, line the tool up over the pin, apply the pressure, pin out, pressure off, spring and cup. There we have it out. Oh, it's very easy. I'll just demonstrate it now for you. So what we'll do then is keep the holes there for the retaining pin upright.
Yeah.
Put the cup and spring in. Then you've got the washer.
Oh yeah.
Then simply line the slot up there on the tool, bring it in, compress down, get the pin then underneath, just keep it level with the tool there, and simply just done.
Yeah. I see.
And then simply turn the clutch round.
The next one. Repeat the process 3 times in this case.
Yeah, just make sure that pin's there is. That's it. As you can see, there's no struggling whatsoever. I mean, normally when you're doing this without this tool, you really struggle to get these springs out and the pins back in and that. But as you can see now, it's so easy to do. There's no struggling whatsoever. Straight in like that. Get the pin straight up like that. Keep it level with the tool. Take the pressure off. Couldn't be simpler.